Okay, welcome back guys, and in this video we're going to do this inequality modulus functions involving inequalities, which is the equality will be less than. The previous video was about greater than. Okay, greater than. If it is greater than, right, we're going to have greater than or less than of that particular value. One is a greater than a positive value, the other one is a negative value. Okay, less than that particular value. If they give you 7, yeah, greater than positive 7 or less than negative 7. But in this video I will go through with you another question involving a less than or equal to 4. Right? Well, again I will show you two methods. Okay, one is the, well, we have to involve memory work, and the other one is by squaring method, which is easier. No need to memorize anything, but you it's a bit longer. All right, this first method is you involve memory. So when you have a less than or equal to, what you have to memorize is your 2x. You open up the modulus function. Okay, minus 3, less than or equal to 4. Well, this one will be this will be greater than, right? For this 2x minus 3 greater than negative 4. Right, so what we have is negative 4 less than 2x minus 3, or 2x minus 3 less than or equal to positive 4. Right, you have to memorize this. But it's faster. It is faster. So from here it's very easy already. So 2x you put on the left, so that means obviously you change the inequality symbol. So you have negative 4 plus 3. Alright, so x will give you greater than or equal to negative half. Alright, simple. And here we have 2x less than or equal to positive 7. That means your x is less than or equal to 7 over 2. That's all. This will be the two solutions for your modulus function, right, which is less than 4. Now, the next one I'm going to show you, if let's say you hate to memorize all these inequality symbols, right? I can't memorize this, it's very difficult for me to remember things. Alright, so what I will do is I will use the squaring method. Squaring method will be much user friendly. Alright, but it is slightly longer, but not to worry. Okay, get used to it, you'll be very fast in no time. So remove the inequality symbol, and of course we square them both sides. So 2x minus 3 bracket squared less than or equal to 4 squared. Okay, simple. Then of course the 4 squared bring over to the left. You're gonna have your 2x minus 3, right, minus 4 squared, right, less than or equal to 0. Okay, after that we're going to do this again. As I told you, do you see this as a squared minus b squared? It will be a plus b minus b, right? So what you have is your 2x minus 3 plus 4, and you have your 2x minus 3 minus 4. Simple, right? You have learned this a plus b minus b in your lower secondary school level. If you have forgotten that, this you have to revise again. Okay, so here this one we have 2x minus 3 plus 4, so minus 1, right, or plus 1, right, plus 1. 2x minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Alright, so from here we know that we're going to sketch the quadratic function. Alright, the quadratic is, as you know, is a positive, right? It's a positive, the x squared term, right? The coefficient of x squared is a positive, therefore it's going to give you a minimum curve. Right, so the roots we're going to get from this thing, right? The roots in this case will be a positive 7 over 2, right? 7 over 2, this one the root will be negative half, right? So from there we're going to have a beautiful sketch of the quadratic function here. Push it up a bit, make it nice, and then this will be your x-axis, will be 0. This is just a sketch to help us to determine, right, the corresponding values of your x. So your x here is negative half, right? Okay, and this is 702, right? Therefore we know that your function or the quadratic will be less than 0. That means your wanted region less than 0, that means y less than 0 will be all these points here, right? This is the corresponding values of your y, right? So your x will be, right, x will be less than negative, or rather x greater than or equal to negative half, or less than 7/2, less than or equal to, right? Simple, because this is the wanted region, right? This is the wanted region, so obviously x has to be greater than negative half but less than or equal to 7/2. That's all. That's all, folks. All right, simple. Okay, take care. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.